Hi, my name is Top Nugget, at least for the purposes of this recording, it is. And I'm here to tell you about a new series that I'm putting together called AI Learning Bytes. Practical AI for real people. What does this entail? We're going to be doing 5 to 10 minute short lessons. We're covering one concept at a time around AI. Then we're going to put all of those lessons together in a playlist so that you can flip back and forth or follow them in sequence as you need to. And this is built for real people, people who may not be involved in technology, but have been playing around with Chat GPT or and they're trying to understand where AI fits in their life, essentially, and how and whether it should fit in their life. This is for you, if that's who you are. So why AI and why now? It's interesting. At least to me, it's interesting. I've been in IT for the last 25 years. The last eight or so, I have spent working with both traditional and then later on generative AI. It's influencing everything because and that makes it interesting as well. So your cars, your television, your phones, your banking, your government, all of those things are being influenced by AI, and it's helping to shape businesses all around you. For that reason, I would say it would behoove you to understand, at least a bit about what AI is, how it works, and when it's helpful and when it's not, so that you can, as a consumer and maybe even a producer in some cases, who knows, as a consumer and a producer potentially, you will know when to use AI, and how to use it wisely, securely, and responsibly. So, what are we going to cover exactly? We're going to cover these five things, 5 sessions in our AI fundamentals course, if you will. The first one is what is AI? So, we're going to talk a bit about traditional AI and generative AI. Don't mind if you don't know what these things mean now. You will by the time we're done. And a few other key concepts to kind of set some groundwork. We're going to talk a bit about foundation models, what they are and how they work, because that's how a lot of the generative AI that you interact with on a daily basis works. And we're going to talk about why that matters. And why that matters is because those models sometimes don't work and they create challenges like hallucination and bias and privacy challenges. Um, and they're very costly. So the challenges are costly and the models can be costly as well. So we're going to talk a little bit about some of the challenges around AI and then how we mitigate those challenges by using good, responsible practice, putting nice, secure guardrails in place, and having some solid human oversight, and how you can do that for yourself as an individual user, and how you can encourage your company that you work for, your organization, to do that, put some of these things in place. And then finally, we're going to talk a little bit about workflows and agents, because AI, or agentic AI, is something that is very, very, very popular nowadays. It's very much a buzzword, but it's a buzzword for a reason. It is pretty amazing how it works, and it's becoming a bit of the new direction AI is taking. New, I say, because it's been around for a couple of years now, but the new direction AI is taking. So we're going to talk a bit about agentic AI, and some of the parts of that, the tools and the memory and the agentic systems, etc. MCP servers. We're going to talk about all of that. If you don't know what those things mean, it's not a challenge, no problem at all. By the end of this discussion, or the end of this series, you definitely will know. So that's it for me. I thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next session. Have a wonderful day.